There's two companies that service that tower. One of them is Sprint. The other one is ATC. I've seen different guys come here trying to get into the gate.
The big game changer is that 5G will use much higher frequency bands than previously thought viable for mobile broadband and other applications. Such millimeter wave signals have physical properties that are both a limitation and a strength. They tend to travel best in narrow and straight lines, and they do not go through physical objects as well. But brilliant engineers have developed new antennas that can aim and amplify signals. Now, to make this work, the 5G build-out is going to be very infrastructure intensive, requiring massive deployment of small cells.
I've seen different guys come here trying to get into the gate to get up there and service the tower. One of the guys, I was talking to him, and he said that he couldn't talk to me about what he was doing.
I'm confident that the actions will lead to a cornucopia of unanticipated, innovative uses and will generate tens of billions of dollars in economic activity.
Other than that, he was there to replace a battery in one of them, in one of the devices that's up on the tower.
And that's damn important, because it means that U.S. companies will be the first out of the gate. And that is why 5G is a national priority. And stay out of the way of technological development. Unlike some countries, we do not believe that we should spend the next couple of years studying what 5G should be or how it should operate. The future has a way of inventing itself. Turning innovators loose is far preferable to expecting committees and regulators to define the future.
But that one only has, what has it got? Probably 10 of those panels on it. 8 to 10 of those square panels, and they always weren't there. They've modified it. They just put those there, and I didn't really notice when exactly they went up, and I never seen them working on them.
We won't wait for the standards. We're already seeing the industry gearing up to seize this opportunity. Verizon and AT&T tell us they'll begin deploying 5G trials in 2017, and the first commercial deployments they're talking about are expected in 2020. And we're not done. As part of our July 14 action, we also plan to ask for comments on opening up other high-frequency bands. Many of the high-frequency bands that we will make available for 5G currently have some satellite users, as well as some Defense Department applications, or at least the possibility of future satellite and defense users. This means sharing will be required between satellite and terrestrial wireless, an issue that is especially relevant in the 28 gigahertz band. But if anyone tells you that they know the details of what 5G is going to become, run the other way.
But I'm gonna walk across the street, and I'm gonna show you guys this other one.
If something can be connected, it will be connected. Hundreds of billions of microchips connected in products from pill bottles to plant waterers. We must reject the notion that the 5G future will be the sole provenance of urban areas.
This one is probably 100 yards from the other one.
The 5G revolution will touch all corners of our country.
It's right there. We're gonna walk over there.
America's local governments will play an important role in determining how we fulfill this national priority.
And I'll probably line up some other video footage you know, breaking down what these things are. This ain't my expertise, but I do know there's something going on with it.
You can be sure of only one thing. The biggest Internet of Things application has yet to be imagined. Tens of billions of dollars in economic activity. And that's damn important.
I can't flip the screen. Let me just turn it around and try to show y'all where we're going. Alright. I smell something over here, but it might be that wood over there. So here's the first one across the street. Here's this one. Thing wasn't always here. Definitely doesn't feel normal over here. I don't know. The gate is open. I don't know who busted the gate open. Wasn't me. My footprints are here. Just going in there. Got this guy in the truck over here staring at me. Maybe he knows, maybe he doesn't. So there's AT&T on there. On this one, the other one said Sprint. They said don't plow the snow. So there's a close-up look for you guys. Anybody researching this, maybe you can get, you know, a lot of the footage that I've looked at doesn't look this clear. Is what this is going to be. Hopefully this will help. You can hear the power running through that thing. Maybe not now because that truck pulled over there. I walk back. I've been coming back here for years. I walk, the Mississippi River is right over there. So I walk around here a lot. This thing came up out of nowhere. It's new. Now I don't know if they pay the property owners of this building to put it here or what, but I'm gonna get out of here.